Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to integrate Funnelish and Klaviyo. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log in to your account. First, go to Zapier. Zapier is a platform used for automating tasks between different apps. In Zapier, you can integrate a wide range of apps to automate workflows and tasks across different platforms. Now, in the top left corner, click on Create and select Zaps. If you have any questions along the way, don't worry. The Copilot feature is available to guide you through the process. Now, start by searching for Funnelish in the first trigger and select it. For the second trigger, search for Klaviyo and select it as well. Return to the Funnelish setup and complete the trigger event options. Click on Select option to connect your Funnelish account and enter your API key for the connection. Now click Yes to continue, complete all the configuration settings for Funnelish, and run the test setup. Next, move to the Klaviyo setup and fill in the action event options. Click on Select to connect your Klaviyo account and click Allow to authorize the connection. Complete all configuration settings for Klaviyo and run the test setup. Finally, click Publish and you're all set. If you're looking to quickly grow your email list while also earning high-ticket commissions, I've got a free training program for you, linked in the description below. It's completely free and super easy to get started, so be sure to check it out if you want to build your list more effectively. Thanks for watching.